All right, step one, you want to put a half cup of whole milk, water, and butter. And over medium heat. Next, you want to have a half cup of flour, 2 packages of yeast, a teaspoon of salt, and a half cup of sugar. And mix that all together. We also need 2 teaspoons of anise extract. Next, you want to slowly start to beat in the milk mixture. Then you want to add 1 egg at a time. We're going to do 4 eggs. We just beat in our 4 eggs, so now we're going to start adding in flour a cup at a time. We move the dough onto a lightly floured surface, and now I'm just going to knead it for 10 minutes until it's smooth. I'm now spraying the bowl that we're going to put the dough in. I'm going to put the dough in, and we're going to flip it so that it's covered in the oil. And then we're going to cover it in some wrap. Now that we have let the bread rise for an hour and a half, it's doubled in size, and we're going to punch it down and form it into 2 loaves. I formed the dough into 2 loaves, and I put bones on one, so we're going to put it in the oven so it can rise. For the second time. The bread is now risen, so now we're going to preheat the oven and bake it. Now we're going to start on the glaze that's going to go on top of the bread. So what we did first was peel an orange, and we're going to chop it up for some orange zest. Now we're ready to start our glaze. We have 4 tablespoons of orange zest, a cup of sugar, and 2/3 cups of orange juice. And we're going to cook this down until it's dissolved. This will go with the bread. Alright, we're taking the bread out of the oven, and we're going to put the glaze on. Alright, we're going to start and do the sugar now. It goes on top of the glaze.